Hey, what's going on, guys? Sorry about the fan behind me, but I gotta have it on. It's freaking hot. So, well, welcome back. I hope everybody had a good 4th of July. And we're gonna get back to the door. So far what I've done is I got all the holes that I need for the trim in, the mirrors, and I also did it on that door as well, so all the holes are in that door there. All the holes are in this door, so I don't have to worry about doing that anymore. So the scrap door skins that I have here, I think I'm going to use those to practice spraying. That way I can get a good general flow of where I need to go, what I need to do, and I'm not messing anything up. So the main trouble that we had with this door was the key lock hole. So I ended up getting one of the new keys that I had and stuck it in there to see whether or not it may or may not be a problem. When I put those in after this car is painted, boy, that is really going to be freaking fun. 20 bucks as I scratch it. Got so many clips and weird clips. So I think I got that right. Oop. Wrong way. I think if you look in there now, yeah. Now it'll go through. But the thing that I was worried about the most is everything gonna line up underneath. So let's see if I learned anything off of that first one. What I did was I basically, to get that to move over a little bit more, and basically what I did was I grinded this edge a little bit more so I can actually push the door panel this way, and it seems to be fitting very nice. I do like the way that this door pan, or this door skin fits better than the other one. However, the lip, let me take you off the stand here. This lip, it's really small. It's really thin. I mean, I barely have anything to freaking, overlap it with. No, I'm trying to get this, since this is at an angle, you can actually see it, it's actually at an angle, it is not straight. If I can get the door to sit on this panel at the angle that it's at, that would definitely help me while I'm fitting the door. But I don't know. I definitely don't want to put... I don't want to do as much body work as I had to do to that one. So you can see all the body work all the way around. I really want to try to avoid that on this one. But I don't know if I'm going to be able to. I guess the main thing is to basically try to pound it from this side and this side only, and kind of leave the other side. I don't know. Well, we'll see. Let's get to it. Or as much as we can. That's why I got these pieces of wood here. And my sanding block. at least I know it's at an angle. But I sure wish this camera actually had a pause. I'd pause it and bring it back, and I gotta put the damn video in 2 parts. So once I get all this pounding and shit like that done, I'll bring in, show you the results. Hopefully it comes out okay. I don't think you want to watch another 12 minutes of me pounding on this damn door, but I mean, it is what it is. Alright guys, take it easy. I hope you all had a good 4th. Hope you all had a good weekend. Take it easy. Peace.